In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft OneNote from automatically capitalizing words. While auto-capitalization can be helpful in many cases, it can sometimes get in the way, especially when typing code, acronyms, or specialized terms. Fortunately, OneNote gives you the option to turn this feature off, giving you full control over your text. To start, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook and page where you want to type. Next, go to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. This is where OneNote keeps most of its application settings. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the OneNote Options window, where you can adjust different settings for editing, display, and proofing. In this window, click on the Proofing tab on the left-hand side. Within the Proofing section, look for a button labeled Autocorrect Options. Click it to open the Autocorrect dialog box. Here you'll see a list of automatic formatting options, including capitalize first letter of sentences. This is the setting responsible for OneNote automatically capitalizing words at the beginning of sentences. To stop auto-capitalization, simply uncheck the box next to Capitalize First Letter of Sentences. You can also explore other options here if you want to adjust additional automatic corrections, such as capitalizing days of the week or correcting accidental usage of two initial capital letters. Once you've made your changes, click OK to confirm and close the dialog box. Then click OK again in the Options window to apply the settings. OneNote will now stop automatically capitalizing words, and you can type exactly the way you want. Keep in mind that this change only affects the OneNote application on the device where you made the adjustment. If you use OneNote on multiple devices, you may need to repeat this process on each device, and that's it. You now know how to stop Microsoft OneNote from auto-capitalizing words, giving you full control over your typing and formatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.